Hey folks, welcome to Omania. Today we are going to talk about tire pressure for different types of tires. We get calls all the time. People don't know how much air to put on their bike. It depends upon the tire and what type of a bike. Road bikes tend to need more air, up to 130 psi depending upon the tire. So you could have two tires that you're going to change. One of them can take 130, the other one only takes 110. So let's look at this one. This is a gravel bike. According to this gravel bike, it needs 50 to 85 psi. This is based upon the weight that's put, just like on your car. When you have more people, you're supposed to put more air. So this is a 733C. And it says here, max load is what? 70 kilo. Max load 70 kilo. So 70 kilo for this tire, and the front is 70 kilo, 140 kilos. So let's say you are 65 kilos or 70 kilos, then you don't have to put all the 85. You could just put only 70 and you'll be fine. What you want to feel for when you're riding is how much of this width is touching the road. When you want to ride faster, the less of this width should touch the road. When you want traction during rainy time, you want less air, more of this threading should be touching the road. Okay? Look at a mountain bike. On mountain bike, such as this, we'll look at it and you'll see there that the pressure is between 35 and, between 35 and 65. This is because the tire is wider. That's why on your car with such a wide tire, you only put 30, and when you have more weight, more people, you put how much? 35. So that's based on this tire. So this tire also says what weight of the person. So for this one says max load, okay, max load of 100 kilo. So 100 kilo per tire, 200 kilo. We're talking about maybe you only need, let's say you are 100 kilos. This bike will do well for you. You don't have to worry about it taking your weight. But as you ride, you want to feel how much feedback you're getting on the road. Okay, and according to that, you will increase or reduce the pressure. Also, if you were to go actual to the Oman Jebels, you need more traction, so you would actually have much less pressure in the tires, maybe 40, maybe 35, so that you can have more traction and those little rocks don't get you to slide off the road.